In today's video, I'm going to show you my simplest and easiest way to get a chocolate cake with chocolate sauce in just a few minutes and no need to any fancy tools. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button below this video and let's get into it. Here I have 180 grams of milk. I'll add to that just around 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And then just mix these and let them set for a few minutes, and that will be your buttermilk. Then I'm going to add 130 grams of vegetable oil and 3 eggs. And a splash of vanilla extract. And we will whisk that all together until they are very well combined. Make sure that all of your ingredients are on room temperature. Then I'm going to add half a cup, that's 100 grams of sugar, and mix that in. And here I have 180 grams of plain flour. I'm going to add to that a teaspoon of baking powder and mix them together and then add them to our mixture. And also 25 grams of cocoa powder. So whisk these together until the flour is mixed in. And make sure there is no flour pockets in your batter, but also be careful, do not overmix your batter. Now here I have a baking tray. I'll just grease it a little bit and then we'll add the batter. And give it a tap on the counter, and then we will bake it on 170 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And then for the chocolate sauce, here I have 600 grams of milk. To that I'm going to add 100 grams of sugar and 33 grams of cocoa powder. Three big tablespoons of flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch. And then just give it a whisk and make sure everything is melted. And we will place this on medium heat. Keep stirring until the mixture is thickened. So once the mixture is thickened, then just turn off the heat and add 1 big tablespoon of butter. That's around 30 grams of butter. And just mix that in and let the butter melt into the mixture. And that's our chocolate sauce. Now, once you get the cake out of the oven, just add 1/4 cup of milk if you want. That's an optional thing, but I like to add some milk on the cake. And then we will leave it to cool down. After that, I'm going to add my chocolate sauce. That's not very cold, but it's not very hot as well, so just somewhere in between. And add as much as you want from the chocolate sauce and spread it around. And we will leave this to cool down completely. So once it's cooled down, now you can decorate this however you want. For me, I've mixed some shredded coconut with cinnamon, and then I'm going just to add them on top of the cake. And the other half, I'm going to add some shredded chocolate. So as you have noticed, this is a really easy recipe that everyone can make. So make sure to try this. The sponge is very light and very fluffy, and the chocolate sauce is so good with the sponge cake. And my favorite thing here is the cinnamon with the coconut. That's the best. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.